For the DXY, as we expected and we've been saying for the past month, just look for shorts, meaning the XY is weak. Euro, pound, CAD, they're all gonna be opposite the DXY. Meaning, if the XY is heading down, which we're expecting this week too, to give us a new low, but be careful with this new low. If you look at the lower time frame, we just did an ABC right here. We just did an ABC, that's an ABC right there, and we're heading down. So I'm expecting a false break and a reversal. Or it's gonna do the following up to this level. If it does this around Wednesday, Thursday, that means we're heading for new lows. But if we're gonna continue doing being around these areas, we're gonna have a fake breakout and reversal. All of these are found on the website, up to 4-hour, daily, with direction, and the weekly. All the analysis that we're talking about. But for this week, I expect the fake out on the DXY, correction, fake out, and reversal. If that's what's gonna happen, that means the euro, we're gonna have the same thing. If you look at the 4-hour, we're at the double top. It created double top. Where's the liquidity? There's the liquidity up here. They're gonna correct, go up, grab liquidity, and drop. But this drop is gonna be a midterm, right? So because if you look at the daily, what are we forming? We're forming the following. And then back up before any major drop. So for this week, as day traders, we trade weekly basis, daily basis. So I'm expecting correction, fake, collect the liquidity that's been building up here, and then drop. If you look at where is it, in tools on the website, hopefully it loads. Anyways, I'll check it out later. If you go to MyFX and community tab, it's 80%. It's Outlook, it's 84% people are short. So what they're gonna do? Where's the liquidity? It's up here. You're gonna go up, maximum, fake it out, strong move, and then reverse. You're more than welcome to trade the strong move, grabbing all that liquidity, but I would wait for it to grab that liquidity, and I will take that short. I'm not gonna trade that long. I will trade this one. It's gonna be quick, it's gonna be fast. Pound. The pound on Friday, it did an ABC right here. It created some kind of liquidity down here. So what are we expecting this week? I'm expecting the following. For it to come up here and then drop. Sorry, my bad. Right here. So if it does the following, you can take a quick, make sure that you take profit around these areas, because this is going to continue dropping. If you look at the higher time frame, let's say daily, this is the higher time frame that has all the details. I'm looking at the following. That's a W, that's the X, and we should be forming the Y, which is all the way up there. But for us to form Y, see this? I expect the same thing around here. So it's gonna be following, then pump. But for the time being, expect it to come up here, forming this shape, one more drop, and then pump up. So you can trade this long and make sure you take this short. It's midterm, right? UCAD, same thing. This leg goes with this leg. For the new people that are here, I combine legs together. The market moves in 2 legs, 2 or 3 legs. So the trick is for you to find which leg goes with the other one. So I got, that's an ABC right there. Then we have this and this heading up here, then a drop. Higher time frame, I'm looking at the following. A Y is a 3-leg shape, so it will give you the following. Of course, it will break this, collect liquidity, it will create some kind of liquidity over here, come down, grab it, then move up. So for the following, watch this area to go short. Swissy, hopefully you guys got this move. It was so obvious. Right, where indicated it from last week, it's on the website. And then a drop. So what we're expecting for this week, come down here, create some double top, double bottom, does a quick correction, and then a drop. There's still one more drop. You can catch that, but be careful with it because this is the end of this correction. I'm expecting after that a quick move to the upside. Same thing like here. So on the correction, take profit around these areas. NU, higher time frame. Let me go higher. That's what we're expecting. At this correction, moving up, came down, and then one more push. We'll create a double top for it to create liquidity. That's what it is. They have to create spots for people to create the liquidity. For the time being, that's your liquidity. It was never touched. So what I'm expecting, drop, pump, collect liquidity, and then reverse. If it continues from here going up, make sure you grab that short. If it gives you a drop, there's a way to measure this drop, where it's gonna stop. Take that pump up till up here to grab that liquidity. That's gonna be fast. There's always a way in charting analysis, there's always a way to measure the move, to know where the move is potential for it to reverse. At the same time, you try not to predict, you react. But you need to know where the price is going. For the following, Aussie, same as NU. That's correction, heading up, correction, up, correction, up, and then drop. It will break the top, come down, and move back up. So you're free to trade anything that you're comfortable with. It depends on your strategy, right? Your entry strategy and your exit strategy and your risk to reward. What you're looking for. Silver, as I've been saying, till $21 before any major drop, if we're gonna have any major drop. That was a complete correction and pump. Same thing goes for gold, right? I see the following, till up there. That was right here, was perfect correction, come up, that's liquidity, they're gonna fake it and continue going up. Gold, same stuff, only buy it till around these areas. Even 1830, 1 second, let me confirm that. $1855 till 1900. Around that's your zone. So as you can see around here, all of these are indicated on the website, right? I'm working on the website right here. So everything is saved on the website. You're more than welcome to go and check it out. It's gonna do the following. This might do the following, fake a drop, because a lot of people are waiting to sell, right? Collect liquidity, come up here, and then a major drop. What I'm looking for gold, I know most of you guys love trading gold because it's shiny and all of this stuff. I'm looking at the following. This leg, where the leg that we are in, it's a correction. So I'm expecting this to come up here and then one more drop to complete this one. This leg with this leg, and then we're going for 5. This is gonna be 4, that's 3, that's 4, and I will make the 5. If you remember, this one happened when the whole crash thing happened, when hedge funds, big players had major call, right? So they had to close the gold position to protect their positions on the indices and on the stocks. For BTC, sorry, I'm gonna do oil. Oil, as I've been saying, just look for buys. Just look for buys. It will break up here, then does another correction. But I wouldn't buy around here because I'm expecting the following. To go up, then come back down, then that's a good buy. Oil is an investment, right? So oil, gold, silver, you don't scalp, you don't day trade this stuff. You invest in it. Like you open a position and just leave it. But you gotta know on what's the direction when you open it. Like here you open a long, yes, you might be in profit till up here till 44, then it might come back, then you'll be paying swaps and all of this stuff. So wait for it to do a major drop, like this one, same thing like here, the correction. A lot of people are expecting it to do the following, right? It's not gonna do that. It already cleared the whole board. It's not gonna give chance for people to re-enter. They're gonna keep on pushing it. People are gonna look for the short or gonna wait for it to do major correction for them to buy. So it's not gonna happen at the time being. It's gonna come up here, make a drop, and continue. You just gotta know when to expect this drop for you to invest around these areas if you are not already long. Crypto, BTC, there's two options here in the BTC. Okay, that was a correction. Then you got this leg. Oh, let me change color, sorry. Then you got this leg all by itself. Then it did the correction. Then it's coming down correctively, right? So from my point of view, either this gonna do the following and pump. If it does that, make sure you buy. Or it's gonna do the following. That's an ABC. That's a complex correction. I'm not gonna enter into it now, but that's a complex correction. Then it's gonna pump. But the pump is gonna be another ABC till the top. Let me go higher time frame, it's easier to explain it. So it's gonna do the following. Then the leg that I told you about, that's all by itself, which is this one. It's gonna drop. Then head back up. So either or, if it does that and pump, look for the buy. And if it does that, wait for that drop that goes with this leg and buy it. Indices, Jim, welcome. Indices, I'm looking for it to break this high. You see where's the liquidity. As long as the indices are pumping, the XY is gonna go down. We got the following, break the top, come down for a correction, then one more up before any major correction. When that major correction is gonna happen, the XY is gonna pump. Silver, not silver, gold is gonna dump, because this is gonna be very fast. Same concept that happened here. And that will be it for this week. Unless